It's up, you all. Welcome back to another vlog. Currently it is like 2 o'clock-ish. I don't know, honestly. I don't be keeping track of the time for real. It is currently 1:17 and I am about to go food shop. This is not a weekly vlog. This is going to be a weekend vlog. It's the weekend of 4th of July. Today is 4th of July. And I think today we're supposed to be going to see fireworks with the kids later on, but right now I want to get some stuff for dinner and then like some fruit and stuff for the house. And then we're supposed to be going, it's like a few places we're supposed to be hitting today, but right now I'm getting dressed so I can go get the food or whatever and then go from there. I'm going with Jasmine to the store, then with Giovanna to another store, and then come back. We're gonna do our lashes today because I don't want to look like a more. I be telling her that. Do my lashes, find a hairstyle because we're supposed to be going to a pool party this weekend. This weekend is filled with fun, thankfully, and I'm off, so time to get the vibe started. Time to get the vibe started. Time to get the vibe started. All right, so I'm gonna see y'all when I get in the car and we're on our way to the store. We made it to ShopRite. So I don't know what y'all do, but what I do, I make a list before going in there, so I'm not just picking up regular shit. But anyway, either way, it's still, you still pick up random shit. So I made a list, a little list. It's not big because I don't want to overdo it today. We don't really got that much room in our fridge. So and smack all that goes. We gonna go get what we gotta get and then be up out of here because you know it's the 4th of July and everybody named Mama is in here. So do you think we should take this little cart? You think we got? Nah. Girl, no. We could get a bigger car. They hit my car, I smacked them. Oh no. But yeah, we gonna see y'all when we get inside. They could have shit, bitch. Oh yeah, the guys even afford the ice spice. No boy, see y'all in it. Jasmine get in my cart. Y'all, I'm trying to get over the fear of recording in public. Recording in public. Yeah. So, right now, I gotta pick up. I gotta pick up food. And then, hold up. I said I needed fruit. No. Not from here. No. So what? Not from over here. Even though that do look good. That looks fresh. Good. I didn't know they had watermelon coming. Oh, watermelon. I'm gonna get that. If it's yellow on the bottom. It's not hollow. I don't need it too big. A little bit, but not as hollow. That's not hollow. Is it yellow spot on the back? Yeah. Or you want that one at the bottom? That one got a big yellow spot. One thing Daddy taught me. Hey yo, don't break it. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, so we gotta get berry. Y'all, I told y'all every month I'm trying a new fruit, so I'm trying the pink glow pineapple. We trying the pink glow pineapple. We I'm trying the pink glow pineapple, and then of course you got the regular pineapple. But I want to try this one. They said this is pink on the inside and it's sweeter, so I'm gonna let y'all know if it is. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. She gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Why would I lie? She gonna lie. She like, it's okay. Girl, no, I'm not. Okay. What else I gotta do? I think it was just water and salt. Let's go. Yeah. I'm really not. Eating that. I'm not eating it. Hey, hi guys. My cart so far. This one? Get that one. This one? Yeah. That's black. That's brown. No, it's fine. Is that the... All right, y'all. So let me tell y'all what happened at self-checkout. Well, not at self-checkout, at checkout. First of all, y'all seen the pink pineapple that I got. She was ringing that bad boy up $15 for a pineapple. I swear, if this pineapple ain't good, I am gonna be mad. Yeah, she said it should be walking, talking. SpongeBob should be in it, and I agree because I really didn't know it was $15. So we gonna try when I get home, and if it's nasty, I'ma scream. Okay, y'all, so I'm home. I'm about to cut my... I'm gonna show y'all some of the stuff I got. Y'all probably seen most of it anyway. Oh, wait, let me put my shoes on because I don't know what the fuck is my shoes. But don't mind my AC. Hold on, y'all. Y'all probably saw most of what I got. But as of right now, I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up from the store. I already explained what this is. I'm about to move y'all because this is annoying. But yeah, hold on. Right here, period. Hold on. Okay, welcome to my grocery haul. I done changed my clothes and everything because for right now we're not going nowhere. Skinny Pop popcorn for my mom. Jasmine picked up these cinnamon rolls. This is also all Jasmine shit, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. But I definitely picked up this watermelon juice, and honestly, I should try it right now just to see what it tastes like. So, cheers. Ooh. A waste of money. This watermelon juice, oh my god. It got lemon juice in it, that's why. I could have honestly juiced it myself. That was disgusting. Anyway, I brought oil. I brought oranges, which I need to inspect because we had to take the last batch back. I have lime, mangoes. I brought bananas, grapes, oh my god, I brought watermelon, as I saw, blueberries, 2 things of strawberries, ginger, blackberries, raspberries, and more grapes. So I got the regular green grapes and then I got the cotton candy one. Let's try. I got 32 flavors of that booty with bubble gum, raspberry, grape, cherry. I hope you have a foot. I am. What else? Bread. What are you doing? Bread. I hope y'all turned into chips. What was that? You pushed me. Cornstarch, fish fry for tonight. Oh, we was having an issue with the salt, but salt and pepper. I love it. Pink pineapple. The pink pineapple that I was talking about that was $15 fucking that I'm about to cut because I want to know if it's good, and it better be good. So it came from Costa Rica. All right, don't mind Madison, but I'm about to cut this pink pineapple and see how it tastes. For reference, this is what it looked like. You see pineapple? Say pineapple. Pineapple. It's not an apple, it's a pineapple. You wanna see it? Look. Ooh. Look. Ooh, wanna touch it? No. You don't want to touch it? Why you don't want to touch it? It's not gonna hurt you. Oh man. What? Hold up, y'all. It's not your booty, it's your beauty. Okay. You got seeds too. Let me see. We're gonna take the seeds and okay. Did it fly? Oh, I thought a fly just came out, Sharon. Come on, Maddie. I'm at that, Mama. All right, just off cutting it, it smells sweet. It's sweet, it's good. Ten out of 10. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. My second morning too. It is currently there. My phone all the way over there. It's like 7:50. Yeah, but that clock is wrong. So it's like 7:50. We just really getting up. My about to make me some eggs, and then I'ma eat, and then we gotta get ourselves together because she has a dentist appointment. No, she has a dentist appointment. And then after that, I don't know. We supposed to be going to Walmart with your ass, man. So that's what we will be doing today. We're going to Walmart for like something for the bathing suits for tomorrow. I came in right now to show y'all that my plants are now sprouting and shit. Your girl is excited. Let me show y'all. This is my sweet tomato plant, and this one is definitely growing. As you see, this right here is sprouting new leaves, and one right here is sprouting too. see it, but let me zoom in. Y'all see that? Yeah. Wait a minute, is that a worm? No, it's sprouting. Okay, and then this one, which is the onion, isn't sprouting yet, but basil sprouting. This is tomatoes too. The sweet peppers, I gotta give them more time. This is the cucumber, and this is the lettuce. So I'm excited about that. My little garden, period, is growing. I just gotta wait for the onions and the bell peppers to sprout. And yeah, all of my shit is. I'm a player, Mom. But I had brought a grow light, so eventually they're all gonna be in my room. Sorry, they're all gonna be in my room under the grow light, so it'll grow faster or whatever. But yeah, growing my own veggies, period. What was I about to say? Oh, I have other vegetables right here in this little bin thing that I did not plant yet. So I will be planting carrots, 2 different types of carrots, which is these. I will be planting, but I'm planting the carrots in this big old bucket because I heard you have to have a big bucket to plant carrots because it have to be deep. So I'm planting that and that. Then I also have beans. I don't need to plant cucumbers because I planted them already technically. But I have beans and then I have peas. So that's that for now. I want to try strawberries, but they keep saying try with a strawberry plant and not like from the seed, I guess you would say. So I have to still look into that. Let's see how that goes. I'm about to cook. Well, I'm about to eat, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when we on our way out the door. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So it's currently 6:25. I'm supposed to be going to the beach today, but listen. Yeah, that's why I'm up this early. So I'm gonna wait and see because they say it's supposed to stop raining at, you hear that? At after 7. So I'm gonna wait the rain out and then we're gonna go to the beach after that. So now it's currently 8:23. It finally stopped raining, so we're gonna still go. It is hot out here today, y'all. Right now it's 78. The high is supposed to be 94. 94. So yeah, it's gonna be a little hot today. Hold up. Okay, so my face is already like clean. I washed it already earlier when I showered. So I'm about to clean this one more time. Put on my sunscreen. Just sunscreen. I'm excited. I'm excited to go to the beach because I feel like it's become like a thing where you have to go at least one time. All right, I'm gonna show y'all what I got on. Okay, so this is what it's giving, right? It's supposed to be like a little clamshell look going on. I cannot turn around because that's gonna get me in trouble. So this is what it looks like from the front. Use your imagination for the back. But I think this is cute, so I'm gonna keep this on. I have a cover up I could wear outside right now. Hold on, let me figure out how to put it on again. Like this. See, I could show y'all now because I'm covered. Oh, here you go. Okay. Something like this. Period. Alright. I'm about to do my hair and I'm gonna connect to you. So we made it to the beach. Yeah, y'all, it's not even hot. It's really breezy, and that's funny because compared to last year or the year before, it was hot. Was it last year? It was last year. It was hot. It's not hot. It's really breezy. That's so cute. We about to go into the water. Come on.
Oh, wait, the sun isn't.
It's just that we was in the sun.
Sea waves.
We're gonna go over there.
Over there.
Woo! This water is cold. Hold on, wait. Let me get my water. Hold on. The water's funny, period. My initial, I mean. Yeah.
Wash away. Yeah, no,
Look at Maddie.
okay.
Maddie.
You get me?
Oh, look at her face. Another one. Wait, is it glistening? Oh, it's a different color. Oh no, it's not.
It'll stay.
What is it? Ew, is it dead? Let me see. It's dead.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Put it down. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is currently 8 o'clock. Today was the last day of the vlog. I am going to my uncle's pool party. Right now, I'm getting dressed to head out. To go do other shit before that. Then we gonna, you know, go to the pool party. That's right now. I'm just getting myself together for the day. Well, yesterday at the beach was fun. That was the last time I had recorded. It was fun. The water was icy freaking cold, like I said in the video. So I couldn't really like enjoy, but we had went, we left, I took some pictures. Ouch. I took some pictures and then, no, we went, I took pictures and then we left. Like a little bit after. It was crowded. It was definitely crowded. But overall, we had fun. I'm not the type that has to be at the beach like every day in the summertime. So me going this one time was perfectly fine with me. But yeah, we have a long week ahead of us. But as for right now, just chilling. It feels so good outside. Oh, I want to update y'all on my plants. Cause I showed y'all what they look like Friday. Girl, them things grew compared to Friday. I'm gonna put a picture up Friday and then now. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. We made it to my uncle's house. I guess you'll be seeing the recording from the pool.
We had a picture.
Or from me eating food. Or however we decide to do it.
Come on, through the boat.
I'll see y'all in a minute. Take her to the side, child. Take her to the side.
You're not gonna see. You're not gonna see.
Anybody have a heart attack?
You wanna go to the floaty? Go hold on for dear life.
You so scary.
You're not gonna drown. You're not gonna drown. Just kick. Just kick. You're not gonna drown. You don't go anywhere. Girl, you ain't going nowhere. Just sit on the floor. That's how
Bruh.
you
panic attack.
Move your legs. You gotta put me. No, don't do that.
It's still
Maya having a heart attack over this damn bug.
I put my phone in your purse.
Huh? Yeah, I know. I'll send it to you. Say hi, Maya. Huh? Okay.
Ain't nobody probably yours. It's your fault. You didn't do it. I could have been like, you could have had your